Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to be showing you the procedure on how to use Raw Accel. So without any further delay, let's get started. So Raw Accel is a software tool that is designed for Windows. Its purpose is to improve the mouse accelerations. So Raw Accel can benefit people who require precise control over their mouse movements, such as professional graphic designers and digital artists. And if you want to use Raw Accel, what here you need to do is open any browser that you have on your device. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and use Chrome browser. At the very top, you have the address bar. There, simply want to type in the link that is rawaccel.net. I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. Once you type in the link, this is going to take you to their official page. Now over here, you just want to make sure to scroll down a bit. You could find these download Raw Accel button. Simply click onto it and download the zip file. So once you're done downloading the zip file, click on the download icon in the top right corner of the screen. There you could find the zip file, select the file explorer page, and here it is. Now what here you need to do is, this isn't a zip file, right? So we need to extract. So right click on your mouse, and you have these Windows default extractor, so select extract all. As soon as you do this, you could see the pop-up window. You want to make sure to go ahead and select the file location. If you're sure about it, you could go ahead and select extract at the very bottom. Now you have these extracted file right over here. Double click onto the Raw Accel. Here you go. Now it is already pre-installed, so all you need to do is just go ahead and look for Raw Accel application. Open it up, and it's going to open up the very home page, which is going to look something like this. So now, as you could see, the Raw Accel interface looks something like this. Now, if you open up or if you look up into the left-hand side corner, you could find charts, advanced theme, all that. Here you have Sen multiplier, right? It means that this is the overall mouse sensitivity. And likewise, you have the Y and X ratio. That means this keeps the horizontal and vertical movement equal. And next, you have this rotation, that means keeps the movement direction normal. And likewise, you have these acceleration. So it actually means it adds sensitive when you move the mouse faster. So it acts sensitive. So you have these accelerated sensitive. So if you move the mouse faster, it actually increases as well. Next, you have these gain and cap. The gain actually means it controls how strongly acceleration increases, and likewise the cap prevents sensitive from becoming excessively fast. So this is a basic interface for the Raw Accel, and you could also go ahead and look for advanced options. You have themes. You could also go ahead and look for help section as well. And you could also go ahead and look for these other options that's underneath. And this way you should be able to use Raw Accel in your device. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.